we are from NAAVA, Martti and
Sanna.
so the NAAVA is a company that brings healthy air and nature indoors. So in a way we provide healthy office environment for the companies. We are a small Finnish company with a 3 million euro revenues from last year, so we don't have the muscles to scale up ourselves, especially internationally. We are of course looking for good strategic partners and customers. It can be in a way channel partner who is then offering like office furniture products or something like that to their own customers. It could be also home electronics company willing to kind of expand their own portfolio, and then this would be matching there. The good thing is that this is totally unique, so if you want to have a kind of beautiful looking designed green wall which actually does something for the indoor air, this is the only one globally. Finland has the purest air in the world, but we are still able to make this a multi-million-dollar business here. So when we go to the markets where the air quality is a big problem, the opportunities are massive. It looks like a green wall, but it's much more. So we have at the top of the product we have fans which are circulating the air through the root system of the plants, and then we have the plants are grown not in the soil but in this special growth medium, and this is where the magic happens. So when we suck the air through the root system of the plant, then the microbes living in the root system, they are breaking down the impurities. So the VOCs and small particulate matter is then cut down. We can remotely control the environment in the room where this is placed. It's more than technology, and it's more than just nature. It's a nice combination of both. It's so good for the people. They work better and they perform better in the environment where the air quality is good and where the greenery is there. So you have electric chairs, you have electric tables or desks. So this would be the next kind of trend and a mandatory product in the office environment.